Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel. Hope everyone is well. Today we are here with a new video. In this video we will discuss from chapter 15 about Python math module. So let's get started. The math module in Python provides a set of mathematical operations and functions for various mathematical calculations. It includes functions for basic arithmetic operations, trigonometry, logarithms, exponentiation, and more. First we will import the math module. Now we will see some basic arithmetic function. Now see here, the math.ceil it returns the smallest integer greater than or equal to x, math.floor, it returns the largest integer less than or equal to x. And math.trunc, truncates x to the nearest integer towards 0. Alright, let's see the example. You can see all the output here. Now we will know about exponentiation and logarithms. So let's see here, math.pal, returns x raised to the power y. And math.sqrt, returns the square root of x. And math.log, returns the natural logarithm of x, base e, or logarithm of x to the specified base. Let's see the example. Alright, now we will know about trigonometric functions. Let's see the example. Let's execute it. As you can see here, output. Now we will know about constants. Let's see here, math.py, a constant representing the mathematical constant pi. And math.e, a constant representing the mathematical constant e. As you can see here, constant value of pi and e. Now we will know about a real-world example with math module. Let's consider a real-world example involving the use of the math module in Python to calculate the distance between 2 points on the Earth's surface using the Haber-Sine formula. The Haber-Sine formula is commonly used to calculate the distance between 2 points given their latitude and longitude. Imagine you have two sets of GPS coordinates, latitude and longitude, for two locations, and you want to calculate the straight line distance between them. Alright, let's see the formula once. As you can see here, this is the formula. Let's solve the problem. As you can see here, our coding is done. Let's execute it. Let's see here, the distance between the two locations is approximately 3,935.75 kilometers. So friends, our today's video was up to this. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you.